Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful saree in deep and beautiful Prussian blue color, and we have prints in pink in the pallu, and we have same color running concept blouse piece, blue blouse piece. And the saree here is also in blue with very elegant lotus design prints and leaf designs printed in green, in beautiful pink and green used for the printing. Elegant saree, very attractive color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light yellow and sandal mixed base color saree with beautiful prints all over. It's a floral design printed using green, yellow and red. The borders of the saree is also in green and black is also given, and we have a very contrast blouse piece which is a mustard yellow color, and we have beautiful pallu which is a dual color one, green and black in the pallu with zari lines. Excellent concept, beautifully contrast one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful sea blue color saree, green and blue mixed shade. With bottom we have cream with beautiful doll horses design pattern with red horizontal design borders as well. The pallu here is a contrast maroon shade with pallu zari lines vertically given, and we have the blouse piece which is also in the very elegant green and blue mixed shade. Elegant color, beautiful pastel one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree with a block printed pallu, and we also have zari lines in the pallu using yellow and green colors. The blouse piece here is a running color, same red plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. Saree is a very elegant one with different prints, yellow used for the printing, the instrumental playing design, and we also have two sides a floral design border and a zari border. Excellent colored saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful blue saree with prints in both sides of the borders, black and red used for the prints, and we also have royal blue color borders. The pallu here is a double color one, very elegant dual color pallu with zari lines, and we have body color blouse piece. Elegant saree with beautiful prints, blue combination, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A multi-colored pallu here, black, blue as well as maroon in the pallu with zari lines, and we have a contrast black color blouse piece with one side maroon borders, completely contrast to the body color. The body color is center part is completely Ananda blue, and top and bottom we have dull finish half white with temple border done in black and red floral design printed. We also have the zari border which is in the base of black, which is an antique saree. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful green saree, a deep olive green shade color, and we have top and bottom in cream base with prints in royal blue, and the pallu of the saree is also in the same green with beautiful zari lines and same color blouse piece. Excellent saree, the combination looks really beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a pastel gold shade color saree with very elegant elephant's motif prints in the bottom on the green base with black border. The saree have a beautiful pallu which is both black and gold color alternatively given along with the zari lines done, and we have a blouse piece which is in the same running color of the saree. Excellent one, very different shade color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey saree, ash grey color with lower half we have half white with prints completely in grey and blue, and we have the border which is blue here. The pallu here is again in blue, indigo shade blue, deep blue color, and we have the blouse piece which is in the running grey color. The borders of the blouse piece is also in blue Beautiful saree, excellent combination. It comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful maroon saree, beautiful maroon shade color in the middle portion. Top and bottom we have black with fully cream color floral design printed, and we also have the borders which is blue. And we have a beautiful contrast pallu, deep Prussian blue shade pallu with zari lines, and the blouse piece here is in the running color. Excellent sarees with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful yellow color saree here, a goldish yellow with very beautiful horizontal design prints in multiple colors, and we have two different color borders also. The pallu of the saree is very beautiful multicolored one with zari lines vertically done, and we have same color running color blouse piece. Beautiful saree, very elegant one, simple and beautiful with authentic silk.